Hello friends, welcome to R&RmomPLANS. My name is Angelique and this is my channel of Mom Planner Style. Today's video is a plan with me in my home section for the week of September 13th through the 19th. Use the black and white 2021 18-month planner vertical layout for my home section. In this week's plan with me, I will be using the sticker book from the fall and the household. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I use the household in my home section every single week with the daily chores that we do around the house. When I flipped through this book before I recorded my last video, I knew that I was going to use these circles for this week. It's going to lay them sporadically throughout the layout. In the home section of my planner, I use this to schedule all of the chores, the deep cleans that need to be done in the house, bills that are due, and a little bit of meal planning. My main meal planning is usually done in my main section of my planner. I want to have the colors evenly distributed throughout the planner, throughout the layout. Now I made a plan for all of these circles, but outside of that I did not make a plan. I'm going to use the little leaves that are on this page as well. I'm going to put these tabs, and this is where I will label what task we are cleaning that day. I'm gonna go ahead and start labeling the chores. I think there's nothing more than I can really add to this layout. So this is the weekly spread I will be using from September 13th through the 19th in my home section of my planner. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planner style. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, subscribe to my channel. For notifications, just click the bell. I welcome your comments, and until next time, bye friends!